So this is just a quick video running through the idea and design behind my Life Fantastic project. So as you can see here, some of my additional ideas are revolving around the aspect of using or reusing, should I say, your packaging to kind of grow plants or kind of herbs. Here, this you can see there's a little herb box here. This shampoo, or I think it's shampoo bottle, is used to regrow a plant. So I wasn't really sure what I was going to do, but I like the idea of using it to kind of grow something or kind of bring some life into the house. So when I was looking at this takeout boxes here, as you can see, they're attached together. I wasn't really sure what they're attached together for. It could be carrying the boxes, but I like the idea of attaching them all together. So then when I was looking up, kind of looking for inspiration, I seen some hanging baskets or hanging planters, and I was kind of thinking about combining a couple of ideas together, how I could kind of turn something like this into something like this potentially. So then I went about making my model, and as you can see, this is the individual packaging that the light bulbs will come in. So 3 light bulbs. And then I went about attaching them together to kind of create my initial model here, which is the planter with 3 boxes attached together. So I was kind of happy enough with where my design was going. And then when we were in our labs and we had to present our designs to our peers, 2 very critical aspects of my design were highlighted to me by my peers, and I'm just going to run through the 2 of them now. So as you can see here, one of the first aspects that was shown, highlighted to me, was I had to use 3 individual planters or boxes to create my project. So if this was used in a domestic setting, if you were to buy 3 light bulbs, you probably weren't going to be buying another pack of light bulbs for a while. So it would take a while to actually create my product. So the idea was given to me that I should kind of integrate a flat pack design kind of seen here, so as to ensure that basically my product could be used out of the box, so that each one of these smaller boxes could fit in the other one, and it all fit in the one individual package that can be seen here. So then basically there'd be no need for any additional products to be bought or any additional materials. And the other important aspect was how, if I was to fill this with soil and shrubs, as you can see here, the product would start leaking and it would corrode over time, and it would just get really messy, and that's something that I completely overlooked. So then I went about kind of seeing how I could kind of overcome that, and I found what's called a clear polyurethane coating, which the boxes could then be sprayed on, and then it would make them waterproof. So it would basically stop any leakages or corrosion of the boxes over time. It would completely prevent that. So then I went about making my second model. As you can see here, each box is smaller than the other one is, so that this box could fit in this box, and then they would both fit in this one, and that is the original packaging that you would get. And then the white paper is representing the string, I should say, that the boxes are wrapped in, as you can see here. And then you would use that string to attach each box to the other box, and then you would get one whole planter. As you can see here, I have them filled up with some shrubs I had around the house. So that is basically the idea, or the product that you'd end up with, and that's basically my project there. Thanks very much.